Artificial intelligence is not just about fancy tools and naughty large language models. It is enriched and really encrusted with unfathomable research like this one. Machine learning models typically acquire language capabilities by engaging in training exercises such as predicting subsequent words in text. A new approach was adopted by a research team led by Evan Zeren Liu from Stanford, which involved less conventional, more human like methodologies for teaching a language model. Liu and his team developed a reinforcement learning agent that acquires language skills not directly through language tasks, but by learning to maneuver through a simulated textual environment, as you can see in this diagram from their paper, and I will drop the link to that paper in video's description. The concept hinges on the principle that reinforcement learning agents evolve by identifying actions that yield the greatest rewards. When a training setup includes textual descriptions guiding towards the highest reward, an agent is incentivized to learn language interpretation. Essentially, comprehending written directives become a beneficial skill for maximizing rewards. This team utilized Minigrid, which is a reinforcement learning library, to create various two-dimensional simulated environments. These environments, designed as interconnected rooms and hallways, served as the training grounds for the agent, which was trained using the Dream reinforcement learning algorithm. The simulated environment featured 12 rooms, each distinctively colored and connected by hallways, with randomized color assignments. Instructions for locating a blue room were placed in a fixed location within this setup. The agent was rewarded for finding the blue room, with penalties applied at each timestamp. It could perform several actions such as turning, moving, or interacting with doors based on partial views of environment and written instructions it encountered. The research team's experiments showed that the agent's capability and capacity to apply previously unseen textual instructions in locating the blue room, demonstrating its ability to generalize learning. The agent consistently succeeded in its task even when tested in altered environments with longer hallways. Further analysis revealed that the agent's understanding of individual words in the instructions, as indicated by a significantly lower perplexity score compared to a baseline model, suggesting effective language comprehension. However, the success of the agent hinged on the specific reinforcement learning algorithm used. Alternate algorithms led to a focus on exhaustive searches rather than language learning. This breakthrough illustrates the potential for reinforcement learning agents to acquire language skills without being explicitly trained on a language task, paving the way for innovative training methodologies for language models. While the study focused on basic language use within a specific context, it marks a promising step towards more sophisticated and grounded method of language acquisition in artificial intelligence. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or thoughts, please share them in the comments. And really, hats off to all of these researchers who have done an outstanding job with this paper. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please do me a favor and share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.